Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This time it is the Dire Boar from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. It's been primed in German Panzer Grey and I'm starting off with dark flesh tone for all of the fleshy parts. If you have any questions or mini requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can ask me on Facebook, where there will also be high-res images of this mini. I also stream on Facebook and Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time if you want to come hang out and play some games. Next up is dirt splatter for a highlight on all of the flesh, just picking up those raised areas without getting it in the recesses. While waiting for the flesh to dry, I used gory red to do the inside of the mouth. Now to finish the flesh off, using leather brown for a highlight for all of the areas facing up and some of the sharper edges. I'd also do the hooves with this colour, but I do change my mind and go back to a different colour afterwards, as this is really bright for that. I then moved on to the fur, starting off with just pure black. Next, I used dark stone to do the base and the hooves. This is a much more fitting colour for the hooves, since they're generally going to be covered in the same material that the boar is walking on, as it's going to be dirty and muddy, so it would make sense to be the same colour. Now for the first dry brush, using Dungeon Grey for the fur parts, just to highlight that black up a bit and catch all those edges. The next highlight is werewolf fur to bring the base up a touch, just a bit of separation but not too much. I then used bone white to do the teeth, horns and the eyes. To finish up before the wash, I used black again to finish off his eyes and do the rim of the base. Now for the wash, using mid brown for the entire mini, including the base. And that will be it for the Dire Boar. As you can probably tell, I added a little bit extra to the base using some flocking. I just felt it needed a bit more to separate it and not look so brown. If you want to see high-res images of the mini, check out my Facebook or Instagram pages. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also ask me live on Facebook or Twitch, where I stream on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.